Variable is a name that is used to refer to memory location. Python variable is also known as an identifier and used to hold value. A variable can have a short name or a more descriptive name like age, total_volume. Rules. For Python variables. A variable name must start with a letter, or the underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. Variable names are case sensitive. A variable can be assigned different values during a program's execution. Hence, the name variable. Wherever a variable appears in a program, except on the left-hand side of an assignment statement, it is the value associated with the variable that is used, and not the variable's name. Variables are assigned values by use of the assignment operator is equal to . In computing, however, it is used to increment the value of a given variable by 1. Variable assignment. The right side of an assignment is evaluated first, then the result is assigned to the variable on the left. Variables may also be assigned to the value of another variable or expression. Variable reassignment. The id function produces a unique number identifying a specific value in memory. If the value of num changed, would variable k change along with it? This cannot happen in this case, because the variables refer to integer values, and integer values are immutable. An immutable value is a value that cannot be changed. Both will continue to refer to the same value until one or both of them is reassigned. Global variables. Variables that are created outside of a function are known as global variables. Global variables can be used by everyone, both inside and outside of functions. Create a variable outside of a function and use it inside the function.